Magkikita kami ng nanay ko.
Darling, I want you to listen. I stayed up all night so I can get this thing right. And I don't think that anyone else. Ha? Putang ina, tamang patayin sa legs ko yung gagamba. Person like you, it is easy to do. Your eyes are the window to heaven. Your smile could heal a million souls. Your love completes my existence. You're the other half that makes me whole. You are the only other half that makes me whole. Oh, oh. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, now put your hands up. Di ko abisado yun eh. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Don't be mad if you say that he wanted. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Oh, 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 oh. Ano nga ba sa'yo?
Binuwat ka?
Oo. Nakalimutan.
Hindi. Ikaw yan ito.
Parang tanga po eh, no?
Ang ina, may memory gap ka. Ikaw
Ano, parang tanga, oh. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, parang tanga talaga.
Wala magsasabi. Pupunta yung nanay ko dito.
Sige, sumbukan namin nag-iossi ka. Mami! Ito po ang katibayan video! Joke.
Tapos, kasi, pumunta ako sa
Ang ina mo. Uy, Marley! Magandang ano yun. Dahilan. Marley! The roof! The roof! The roof is on fire! Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader! Gago! Follow the leader! Ulo!
Ano yung club ba yun?
Ulo, ulo, ulo!
Pong!
Ulo!
Pong!
Ulo!
Pong!
Ututo, gago.
Ang ina mo eh. Shotgun.
Makarena na. Then naman na makarena. Panlag ka po na ka na niyo na makarena. Tangina mo, tangina ka mo makarena. Tangina ka, Marley kang makarena. Marley ba ding? Ay! Ang ina, hindi masikit?
Hindi masikit. Balik mo nga. Ikaw na magtago nito. Ikaw raw yung susunod na bibigyan niya.
Ah, sure siya. Ano inspiration. I know. Expired. Butang ina mo. You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. I wanna have you near me. I wanna have you near me. Say yeah. You're the is, and I know, yes I know it is plain to see. You're living that together, and I know that I need you here with me from tonight until the end of time. You.
Bring that all down.
Ano yan? Wala mo yan. Ulo po nga nanigis. Ulo po. Putang ina ka.
Ano?
Huwag kasi, wag!
Ano, mamili ka, left or right?
Pati gitna. Wag gago. Wag gago.
Left or right? No.
Pati trigger. Yung pa ako gago. Baliw ko, baliw. Ay, baliw. Like sa inyo, baliw yan eh. Sabi ko sa inyo. You know.
I hate paparazzi.
Oh, paparazzi!
Seriously.
Ano yung itsura ni Rihanna nung nabugbog?
Nakalala, ano?
Paano itsura? Sige na. Bye-bye na.